not recording, and that's what I need to be doing. Black shirt and just it's super comfy.
Yeah, you're gonna go see your dad. And I brought it over from our storage unit. Hello and good evening. We are getting ready to hang our TV. So our plan is to put the TV, we're hanging it there. Still have Gunner, he goes home tonight, don't you, buddy? You gonna go see your dad? Yeah, you're gonna go see your dad. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to my bathroom. I have been like getting things done, not recording, and that's what I need to be doing, recording the process. So I am going to hang some of these shelves that I got off of Amazon. They will be linked down below. And anyway, we're gonna put them up together. And I might change my outfit because I don't really like this top. I look so bad. I'm so tired. All right, I've changed into something a little more comfortable and stylish in my opinion. So this black shirt and just these super comfy flowy pants. Just terrible angle. Like, should be up here. This side up. Oh, I think it looks really good. Hold on. So there's that, and then I'm gonna do one more. And it does say to avoid gaps, but avoid places with gaps, but what can I do? Like, nothing. Yes, and now my soap holder. That looks nice. And this is the soap that I use always. This one or the peppermint. They're definitely my favorite scent. Okay. Also, another thing I just got is a new razor. Athena Club. I did some review between this razor and the Flamingo, and this one seemed to win. And I love that it has a magnetic holder. Oh, it's cute. I love the color too. Oh my goodness, that feels so nice. All right, where do I want to put this? We ended up not putting the middle shelf, which I'm happy we didn't. So because it's so tall, I'm never going to have anything that tall. So I'm gonna put my razor up here. There we go, a little brighter. Now, another thing that I got at Target today are these organizers from Bright Room. And they're lovely. I got 2 of those and then 2 of these. Hello. Just stackable clear organizers, and they are going to help me organize everything that's in there. All right, so this cabinet is quite dark because everything's black on the inside, but I have so many glasses, eyeglasses, and then sunglasses that I want to organize, and then I have just random jewelry, perfume, nail polish, things like that. So I'm gonna organize that. This is from my mom. She had this for years on her windowsill, and it was to hold her rings, so I have to keep this, even if I don't use it. Hey, maybe I will use it. I don't know. Nothing more satisfying. Fits. Perfect. So I think I'm gonna do glasses on the top. One day I'm gonna do a full collection of all of my sunglasses and all of my eyeglasses. I am blind as a bat, and I have been since I was very, very young. Well, eyeglasses are my best friend, my accessory for life. I love sunglasses so much, too much. Like, clearly I don't take care of them the way I should. Welcome back. We are gonna start hanging TVs. It's very dark in here. My battery is about to die. It is Sunday. I haven't filmed in a few days because we've just been chilling out, relaxing, haven't really done much. And let me show you the weather. It is pouring outside and it's only gonna get worse. Yesterday, I painted 2 coats on these doors outside. Did not get to the other side. So today we are painting the doors inside. So these 2, and then we still have this linen closet door, bedroom door, closet door. That's what we're gonna do. And then a couple other things that we need to do inside studio. We're gonna organize some things. Oh, I had this dresser. I've had it for a while and I brought it over from our storage unit because Jeremy and I both need just a little extra storage for clothes. And then I can put my easel where it's supposed to go, and this area can at least be cleaned up somewhat. Do you want me to help you with that first? And that put up?
No.
No?